Hi there, Matt Powell here, fishing and foraging Wales. Today I'm just going to cook you it's Welsh lamb leg, but it's basically been sectioned off into steaks. And then I've got some lovely hedgerow plants there, and sorrel. I've got these lovely meadow sweet shoots there, some bracken ferns, little fiddlehead ferns we call those, primrose leaf, these little wild peas or vetchling as they know. And then you've got the three-cornered garlic there, which is lovely, or angled onion. And then these little wild garlic flowers. And then there's two sauces. So then I've got the green sauce, which is made from sorrel, nettles, wild garlic and hedge mustard. Basically like a salsa verde, but just using hedgerow plants. I do add some wild garlic capers into there as well. And then the second sauce is, again, my seaweed beer, local beer, with just a reduction of the lamb juices there. And that's it. Keeping it simple, keeping it nice. So what I'm going to do is start the dish. I'm going to season this tray with salt and pepper. Just lightly. And then add a little drizzle of rapeseed oil. What the rapeseed oil does there is just helps the seasoning, the salt and pepper, stick to the actual meat. So all I'm going to do is take it there, plenty of salt and pepper in there, and roll it round nice, get it all well seasoned. It's a nice knob of butter into the pan, and a bit of oil just to stop it burning. About 2 tablespoons there. So add a bit of butter. Again, you want it that nice rosette colour, like a lovely, you can smell it when it goes, what we call it in old French terminology is noisette, burn noisette, and then, just lightly brown. Just make sure that lamb is nicely sealed, and then that's going to go into that pan then of butter and oil. And I'm just going to keep that on low now. Just getting all that lovely excess juice coming out of the lamb. And don't be afraid to leave it there as well. Just leave it there as long as you want until it's coloured nicely. So turn the lamb over to seal the other side. And I'll do this on all 4 sides then, so it'll be the underside, so the fat side goes in first. Fat side of meat should always go in first, and then turn it over to the other side, to the underside, and then the other 2 sides then. And then you're going to baste that lovely piece of lamb now like that, and just keep whipping that butter back over the top. Put that in the oven on a grill tray. 190 degrees for about, I'd say for rare you're looking about 8 minutes. For medium rare you're looking about 10 minutes, and then anything over 12-15 minutes to medium to well done. So for the sauce, the base was my seaweed ale, which I'm just going to put into a pan to reduce. And I'll put the whole bottle in, and I'll reduce that now down to about a good half. Reduce that down by at least a half. And then add my lamb reduction into that. And then, that's not quite ready, so I'd reduce it down by another half again. Season it very, very lightly because there's enough salts in there naturally in the meat. And then what you end up with is this lovely sauce there, nice and dark, which you'll see on the plate in a second. So what I'm going to next here is just cut this piece of lamb leg into like natural sections. So with my small knife, I'm just going to go around there and break it into smaller sections again. Any really big sinews you see, just cut those out. Shouldn't be too bad because I went over that first anyway. So you've got a piece there like that, just put them onto your tray. And just work out, you see another section there? And cut down there, pull that away. Just let your knife do the work. And then again there's another section there. And that's it, yeah.